Okay, you fill in the gap with the correct option. Question 26. A dash of cattle was grazing in the field. So what do you call a number of cattle grazing together in a field? Do you call them a collection? Do you call them a flock? Do you call them a group, a herd, or a troop? Here you use the word herd. You say a herd of cattle, and not a troop, not a group, not a flock, and not a collection. Okay, question 27. I found dash money in my brother's pocket. I found dash money in my brother's pocket. Which money? Which determiner? What appropriate determiner do we use to describe money here? A, few money. That is wrong. You cannot use few with uncountable because we believe that money is uncountable. So you can't use few. You use few only with countable nouns. All right, large money. You can't use large here. Many money. You cannot use many. You use many with countable nouns. And we believe that money is uncountable. All right, D, small money. No, but you can use some money. I found some money in my brother's pocket. Question 28. Olu had slept dash his mother finished cooking. Is it after his mother finished cooking? Before his mother finished cooking? C, immediately his mother finished cooking? D, till his mother finished cooking? E, when his mother finished cooking? Olu had slept before his mother finished cooking is the right answer. Before. Okay. Question 29. 29. Dayo is good dash singing. Which preposition is appropriate with good? Which preposition goes with good? Is it at? You are good at something? You are good for something? You are good in something? You are good on something? Or you are good with something? What we normally say is you are good at something. Oh, Dayo is good at maths. Dayo is good at singing. Dayo is good at dancing. So you use at with good. Option A is the right answer in that one. Question 30. The girls remained indoors because it was dash cold. Absolutely cold, barely cold, deeply cold, extremely cold, or so cold. Option D is the right answer because it was extremely cold. Okay? In fact, the cold was of the highest degree and therefore the girls could not come outside. Right? Extremely cold. We move on. Question 31. Dash, did you ask for the missing book? Dash, did you ask for the missing book? Which did you ask? In fact, that does not even flow well with the rest of the words. Who did you ask for the missing book? Whose did you ask for the missing book? Whom did you ask for the missing book? E, whose did you ask for the missing book? What is required here is an objective pronoun. Now you have to choose between B and D, who and whom. But here we require an objective pronoun and the objective form of who is subject while whom is an object. And since it is an object that is required here, whom is the right answer. Whom did you ask? You ask whom. That is an object. Question 32. 32 now. The president flew to London yesterday. Dash he. The president flew to London yesterday. Dash he. Now, this is a question on question tags. All right. Now, when you are dealing with a question tag like this, consider the lexical verb here. When in the statement a lexical verb like this is used, you use a form of the do verb in the question tag. And don't forget the rules. If the statement is positive, the question tag is negative. And then again, you have to consider the fact that flew is the past tense of fly. And that means you are going to use the past tense form of do. What is the past tense of form of do? That is did. Okay, so the statement is positive. Therefore, the question tag will be negative. And that means you are going to use the negative form of did. And what is the negative form of did? Didn't. Okay. Then what is the sex of the president? What is the gender of the president? The president should be a man. And so you use he for him. And that becomes didn't he. Alright, so let's look at the options. A, did. B, didn't. C, does. D, hadn't. And E, wasn't. So the answer, our answer is didn't. Okay? The answer is didn't. Didn't he? Question 33. A large group of people dash the occasion. A large group of people dash the occasion. A, attend. Now, the past tense verb is required here because it's past in sense. Okay? The action being reported is past in sense. So you need the past tense form of attend. Okay? Attend, attended, attends, have attended, were attending. So the simple past is required here, and that is why option B is our answer. A large group of people attended the occasion.